Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. Texas Skid Steer specializes in used skid steer loaders. We sell all major brands of skid steer loaders. We've always got a large selection of good quality skid steer loaders for sale. We've got rubber track machines, and we've got wheel machines. Got a little bit of everything. We've got great prices. We're located in Springtown, Texas, which is right outside of Fort Worth, Texas. We're just 20 miles outside of Fort Worth. Our prices are very, very competitive. Our machines are checked out and ready to go, ready to work. And you can see all of our machines that we have for sale by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com, or you can give me a call at 817-668-1018. But look at our website, texasskidsteer.com. I think you'll like our machines. I think you'll like our prices. This is not like going out and buying from an individual. We've checked these machines out. We know they're good. They're ready to go to work. And I think you'll find that, our machines are, that you can put a little more trust in our company, because we've, been in the skid steer business for a lot of years, and we know what we're doing with skid steer loaders. We know what to look for. So you can trust us at Texas Skid Steer, that the machine is going to be ready to go to work and fully checked out, because, we've got a reputation to keep, of selling good quality skid steer loaders. And if we don't do that, then that hurts our business. When you buy from an individual or an auction, the only thing that they care about is just getting rid of the machine, getting your money, and getting you gone. And Texas Skid Steer, here we want to sell you a skid steer today. We want you to be happy with it. We want you to tell your family and your friends, your business co-workers about Texas Skid Steer, and about how they treated you right, and how you got a good quality product at a fair price. So check out our website at www.texasskidsteer.com, or give me a call at 817-668-1018. We'd love to have your business. I appreciate you watching the video. Y'all take care, and God bless.